To make the split back stitch, begin by making a single straight stitch on the stitch line. Come back up on the stitch line with a gap. Now split your previous stitch to go through the fabric. Again, come back up with a gap and go back through the fabric by splitting through the earlier stitch. Repeat this process. This is a great stitch when you want to follow the back stitch technique but don't want to show the obvious stitch points that the back stitch can show. The splitting widens the stitch sideways, making it a good stitch for fillings too. I hope you liked this stitch. Let me know. Thank you for watching.